I know the memory, same thing you talking about this.
Yep.
The almanac, a banana is about the almanac.
Yep.
Go over there, where's the big bridge? What's this? My name is Donko. I born in São Paulo, Brazil, 1939. My father born in 1909. He's immigrated from Russia. At this time, he lived in a border between White Russia and Poland. And this time, 1929, 1920, the Bolsheviks don't do it. Good army general kicked the Bolshevik back and he take his place. The time in 1929, my father come in Brazil, he get a Polish passport. I work in my lifetime at 40 years in instructor still. And I work in a local 40 for 33 years. And I work plenty jobs in Manhattan, bridges, and the top one that's few hours, the Statue of Liberty. As I spent 3 years in my lifetime, and the World War, the Twin Towers. Because he built the Eiffel Tower. You know, when he opened the Eiffel Tower, 1889. And it had 300 meters. I'm impressed. He's a genius. He calculated this goddamn man a pencil. I like everything big. I like the Eiffel Tower, Panama Canal. If I tell you the best for me in a lifetime, Iguaçu Falls, number one. Number two, Jesus Christ over there in Rio. Number three, the biggest construction job, in my opinion, the civilization, Panama Canal. Number four, I like it, Neil Armstrong, Cabo Canaveral. That's number four for me. Number five, my baby, the Statue of Liberty.
So why is
number six, Eiffel Tower. And number seven, the Vatican.
So you helped place the brand new torch.
Yeah, you see the pictures over there, pick it up, that's equal. We go put the torch because he have the crane.
Yeah.
This guy is a rigger and he can pick it up the stuff, and I work for this rigger, and he said he's a master rigger in New York, and many times he do fantastic jobs.
What did it feel like to put the torch up on her arm?
That's emotion. The time you look over there, you stay in the air, you don't have a camera. I jump over there, look at Robert, I ask one guy, I say, excuse me, what kind of film you have in your camera? I say, I have it called a Kodak Chrome 64. That's the best. Now it's out the line. I say, okay. I get it $40, you take a few pictures, and he say, no, you don't need to. He give me the, I say, I'm an engineer. You look in 2 weeks, I give you the slice. And he give me 4 slices. And I give it for the guy. Say, the picture come in all right, say, that's my gift. You don't need to give me nothing. I say, I give it because that's historical. Because in my philosophy, the life, my family, my aunt spent 6 years in Siberia, 1940 to 46. That's what time you have freedom. That's the best thing in your lifetime. My philosophy on top of the still, that's health, freedom, and the third you need to do by yourself.